everybody, it's Jen. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have a festive video. This is going to be a tour of my craft room with all of my Christmas decorations up. As you guys may have known, my husband moved his office things out of my craft room into a different part of the basement. So now I have this whole space for my crafts. So I was able to get a Christmas tree this year for my craft room and just organize better and put up more decor. And it's much more inspiring to me and relaxing and calming. And I thought I would show you what I have so far. I posted on my haul on Friday a tour of this new cabinet, which I had gotten at Target. And I did show you guys the top of it all decorated, but I did add a couple things. This um, gingerbread, like pastel gingerbread tower, I had gotten at Hobby Lobby? No, Home Goods last year, and I had it in my dining room, but I brought all my pastel things into my craft room this year, so I like it in here. And I don't know if you could tell, but it's lit up. It's just so cute, right? I love that. So this is definitely the highlight of my pastel decor, I think. And I added a couple more of these little deer, which I gotten from Target. Every year they have some retro deer as ornaments. So these were last year or the year before. Some of my bottle brush trees that I made. I have a light up candle, a battery operated candle, but this one that I got is super loud, so I didn't turn it on. I have to get a new one for that. And that's a Target deer from this year, and the big one, and then the little guys are also from Target, of course. And there's that truck from Hobby Lobby and a little tree that I'd gotten a few years ago. The big bottle brush trees I got this year at Walmart. So I won't go into detail in my cabinet because I did that in my last video. I'll link it below if you want to see. But I did add this is Claus Bakery ornament. Hi, you can see me. Actually, it's a gift topper, but I added that onto the doors just as a little decoration. Okay, so let's move over to this corner. This is where my husband had his desk before, so I just put my pink tree there, and a couple people have asked where I got my pink tree. I got it at Big Lots this year. Hold on, my cat wants to come in. It was $45, I believe. It's flocked, it came lit, it's really, really pretty. I will link it down below if it's still available on Big Lots. I think you can order it from their site, but I got it in the store. And let me just show you my decorations on the tree. Sorry for the shadows. The tree topper I got at the Dollar Tree is just obviously $1. And the ornaments, some of them I got this year, some of them I've had years past. A few of them I made. I made these little wreath ornaments. I will link that video down below if you want to make them too. Simple Dollar Tree craft. The garland I got in the My Little Christmas section at Hobby Lobby this year. And yeah, just show you all the different ornaments that I have. I have to leave that gnome on the bottom because my cat, Gus, likes to pull it off. So this is Gus. Gus, can you say hi? Gus? That's Gus. So he likes to sit on the tree skirt, which I got at Walmart this year, or tunnel under it, which is fun. So anyway, those are the ornaments. Let's move over to this side if you want to see these. I tried to decorate the whole thing. I love this ornament. I got this one from Hobby Lobby this year. The Nutcracker is from Walmart. They've had some gorgeous ornaments. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. I had gotten this pink one at Walmart. I don't know if you remember, it had a white tree in there with some like really big glittered like dark colored balls on it. So I ripped that tree out and then I just put in one of the bottle brush trees that I had spray painted pink. Sorry, I hope I'm not making you guys dizzy. So yeah, so finally I remembered to show you guys how that looked. And some other various ornaments. This one, this shaker I got it was like 80 or 90% off at Target last year, so I had to get it. And yeah, so this is all the ornaments that I have. So pretty, right? I just love these different pastel colors. Originally it was just going to be like pink and aqua and gold, but you know, I figured all pastels work. And then let me just back up. This is the wall that I still have to figure out what to do with. I hung up some things that just because there were already nail holes there, so I figured before I, commit to any big art or anything like that, I would decide what I want to be there, like shelves or bookcases or whatever. So this wreath I put together from things this year. The pom-pom wreath I got at Target. It's in the back of the store. It was like 20 bucks. And I didn't think that was too bad for the pom-pom. You could probably make a pom-pom wreath yourself, but I don't have the patience for that. And the ice skates I got at Walmart this year, $1.98 each, and I just tied them quickly with the little pink bow. So I think that came out cute. These signs I got at Target, I think it was a couple years ago, and this one was from Home Goods a few years ago. So let's keep moving. This is just, you've seen this before in my previous craft room tour, which I will link below. The top I decorated for Christmas. This tier tray I already had up here. I just added a couple little deer. I moved those glass trees. I had them elsewhere in my craft room. I put them over here. The bottle brush trees I had, I don't remember if I had bought these or made these a few years ago. The nutcracker I painted myself. My kids and I each got a nutcracker and painted them. So I think it was like from Michael's or something. And I love this little iridescent pom-pom garland. I got that, I think, from Hobby Lobby. So that's the top of my paper cabinet. And there's that Christmas crafts book that I got at Dollar Tree this year. So we'll keep moving along. If you want to see like exactly what's in my storage things, that'll be in my other craft room tour. This is the door to the unfinished part of my basement that has a furnace and storage and that kind of stuff. So I did put a mat that I got at Aldi there because my cats like to claw at the carpet and rip it up. So I figured a mat would help stop them from doing that. A little bit too late, but I finally figured that one out. So yeah. And this is this part of the craft room. I don't think really anything new over here. I do have my Holiday Crafts magazine ready to go. And let's just move over. Excuse me, that Merry and Bright banner, I got that from Dollar General this year. I love it. I think it's so pretty and whimsical. And I did make a little Christmas display here. I want to put like a placemat or something under these guys. This retro deer I got at Home Goods. I just added a bow and some jingle bells to them. The pink tree I got from Zulily. The sign behind there I got from Target, Dollar Spot last year. And this little gingerbread house that lights up I got from QVC. So I think that is it that's new on this side of the craft room. Things look a little bit neater since I got the new craft cabinet because I have more storage. So that's always nice. Okay, we'll move around to this side of the craft room. I have my paper storage, which really has not changed. I have the Snow and Cocoa at the bottom and then 2 Maggie Holmes sections at the top. I think I did my other video at 11:32 because I was looking at my old craft room video and I think it's at 11:30 on the clock. That's funny. Anyway, here is my sewing table, which is where I sew, obviously. I'm in the process of making a quilt, which I cleaned up everything so you didn't have to see that. But yeah, I use my sewing machine a lot for sewing and also for paper crafts as well. Let's move along. There's my tissue box, the craft room tissue box that I made with a die set from KS Crafts. So we'll move back over here. This is my main desk area, although it's just a big folding table from Aldi, but it works great as a desk. Gives you a lot of space to spread out. And let me just sit down here and I'll just show you everything. Here on this tier tray, I put a bunch of the bottle brush trees that I had decorated. I have a video for that. I will try and link that below as well. So, are you focusing? I hope so. So I just put those there just to inspire me while I'm sitting here. There's a picture of me and my daughter. I have this cute, it's like a place card holder I got from Target last year. This I got from Walmart this year. And in this box, I have just some like small Christmas things that I'm working on right now or working with. There's some storage, which you guys have seen before. On this little cake stand, I have that Santa. It's in the Tiny Treasures section from Michael's this year. And just some various things that I've made that I keep out. This bowl I use to make sequins mixes. There's my glue gun, glass of water, reading glasses, which I need all the time. And, okay, let me stand up. On this wall, I have some pink Christmas lights, and this is where I hang quilts. And right now I have, those are my 3 gingerbread quilt blocks that I have completed. And I just have them hanging there temporarily to store them while I'm working on other ones. And I do have a November one that I just have not gotten to yet. So, you know, it's going to be a little while for that with Christmas projects and all sorts of, you know, things that come up this time of year. So we'll get to it. On my chair, I have, this is a quilt that I had made, years ago that I just decided to put on here to add some more pastel coziness for the winter. My last video, I had a whole bunch of stuff on the floor, like boxes of sequins and stuff. Those are now in my craft cabinet. The only thing I have down there is just some random Christmas things that I'm working on right now. So. And then there's my yarn. Down there are different like themed paper sets. My dies are in those photo albums. And then you guys have seen this shelf before with all sorts of embellishments like washi and flowers and bling and all sorts of stuff like that. If you hear weird noise, my son's playing a video game. And behind the door, I have things like other paper collections and vellum and acetate and that sort of thing. This is my room. There's Gus trying to stay out of the way, and just wanted to show you guys everything. I hope you enjoyed this updated Christmas craft room tour. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions about where I got anything or anything at all, just let me know and I'd be happy to get back to you. So I will talk to you guys soon, and I'll be back with another crafty video. Bye guys.